aspects what industry is able to participate. Look at when I talked about 30 years back or 25 years back, industry we were going for only component manufacturing. From that stage today, we have industries which are participating in R&D, in fact research. They are the designers, they are doing the research, they are doing the development, and they are able to give as an end product to us. There are many items which later I can share with you where they are able to do. Then development particularly in the R&D, the D portion of it, there are many industries who are able to take the specifications from us, and they are able to develop and produce the items to them. That is what you call as BTS, build to spec items. There are many industries which have come up. Production and later part of it, that of course there are many people who are able to do that production, that is built to print. In fact, in the 30% offset policy, there are many industries, particularly in Hyderabad, who are doing a lot for the BTP, in the BTP mode, build to print mode, are able to produce many of the items, particularly in the programs like LRSAM and MRSAM, wherein major offset benefits we got. So, if you look at it in the future, there are many programs which government is contemplating, wherein the value of the contracts will be so huge that the offset policy will bring a lot to the country, and there are many which belong to Hyderabad laboratories also, or Hyderabad industries also. If majority of them should get materialized, if they get materialized, let's say if not 150 billion, even 100 billion gets materialized also, look at the 30% offset policy out of this and how much will be produced here in India. So if you look at it, particularly from the business point of view, this is what it is going to be. Look at LRSAM, MRSAM programs, or even the position for MRSAM Army is on. That itself is about 15,000 crores project and things like that. And there are many new projects which are coming, which will be able to get lot of products, which I will be talking about in details that.